Okay, we've got a 2010 Fiat 500. This is just a new thing we're starting to see on the cars of this age. This is the brake pipe. There's a rubber housing here and people don't check it, and that is corroding. And I'll show you on the other side why you should be checking these. This has exploded and brake fluid has gone everywhere, and now the brakes don't work. So if you're doing checkups, keep an eye on these. And yeah, just something to know about, really. Okay, so this is the side that's burst on the Fiat 500, and I've just cut into this one, and this is on the other side. It hasn't failed yet, but that is what it looks like. So this is something you need to be checking. It's not coming out just yet, but it feels absolutely terrible and looks absolutely terrible, and that is a ridiculous amount of corrosion in there. So we definitely need to be checking these in the Fiats of this age.